think Dean definitely sees Sam as Spock. You know, with the weird hair and the huge ears. Yeah, absolutely he thinks of himself as the captain. He's the one that drives the car, he thinks he calls the shots. Dean would definitely, he would be a compilation of many different captains. So, yeah, you take Captain Kirk and Captain Jack Sparrow, and it's I don't know. I mean, there's so many references that I hope, I mean, sometimes I don't even get the reference. I have to call up the writers and be like, what are you talking about? What is this? Or even more embarrassing enough that when I'll say some line in the show, and I'll just read it as a line, not understanding that it's an actual reference to something that predates me. And Bob Singer will call me up and be like, "The hell was that?" So I'll have to go into the looping truck and redo it on the audio. But yeah, you're gonna find those kind of references all over the place. Are you a Star Trek fan?
Yes.
Are you
a Star Trek fan?
A Trekkie, as they say?
A Trekkie, yes.
No, I'm not a Trekkie. I know Star Trek is well enough to have a mild conversation about it. But, I watched more Star Wars.
That's great.
It's the yin and the yang. It's what keeps the world going around, sister. Thank you.